Rheumatoid arthritis affects over 1.3 million Americans, bringing joint pain and inflammation. But what exactly is this disease, and why is understanding its pathology so vital? As we embark on this journey, we'll uncover the complexities of rheumatoid arthritis, beginning with its profound impact on the body. By grasping the underlying pathology, we pave the way for more effective management strategies. Join us as we explore the intricacies of this autoimmune disease and its significance in health and wellness. Let's delve into the heart of rheumatoid arthritis and discover pathways to better management. Rheumatoid arthritis can be overwhelming, affecting more than just the joints. Imagine waking up with stiff, swollen joints, making simple tasks like brushing your teeth or tying your shoes a challenge. This is a common reality for those with this disease. Joint pain and stiffness are often the first signs, but the impact extends far beyond that. As the disease progresses, it can lead to fatigue, fever, and a general feeling of being unwell, significantly affecting daily life and quality of life. The immune system, mistakenly attacking healthy joint tissues, leads to chronic inflammation and damage. This process hampers mobility and alters the way you live, affecting work, hobbies, and personal relationships. Understanding these symptoms is crucial in recognizing the need for effective management. In our next segment, we'll dive deeper into the pathology of rheumatoid arthritis, exploring how this autoimmune disorder operates at a cellular level. In rheumatoid arthritis, understanding its intricate pathology is crucial. This disease isn't just about aching joints. It's an autoimmune condition where the body's defense system mistakenly turns against itself. The immune system attacks healthy joint tissues, initiating inflammation that leads to damage. Imagine the body's own soldiers, confused, launching an assault on its own territory. This misguided attack results in swelling, pain, and eventually, joint deformity. As inflammation sets in, it erodes the cartilage and bone within the joint, causing physical pain and diminishing quality of life by restricting movement and functionality. The chronic inflammation perpetuates a cycle of damage, making everyday tasks daunting. Understanding this process is vital for those affected and their caregivers, highlighting why early diagnosis and intervention are essential. With this knowledge, individuals can navigate treatment options and focus on strategies that may slow progression and alleviate symptoms. This explanation empowers those with rheumatoid arthritis to take control of their health journey. By comprehending the underlying pathology, patients and healthcare providers can collaborate more effectively to manage the condition. As we continue, we will explore how this understanding can lead to effective management strategies. Join us as we delve into ways to mitigate the impact of rheumatoid arthritis and improve quality of life. As we conclude our exploration of rheumatoid arthritis, let's summarize the key insights about its pathology. Rheumatoid arthritis is a complex autoimmune disease resulting in chronic joint inflammation and damage. Understanding these mechanisms is crucial for effective management. Managing rheumatoid arthritis involves a multifaceted approach. Lifestyle modifications, medication, and physical therapy play significant roles in managing symptoms and improving quality of life. Staying informed about the latest research and treatment options is important. However, personalized care is essential. Consult healthcare professionals who can tailor a treatment plan specific to your needs. Early intervention can significantly alter the disease's progression. By understanding rheumatoid arthritis, you empower yourself to make informed decisions about your health. Knowledge, coupled with professional guidance, is your best ally. Thank you for joining us on this educational journey. We hope this video has provided clarity and reassurance as you navigate the complexities of rheumatoid arthritis. For more information, explore additional resources and stay proactive in your health journey. Until next time, take care and prioritize your well-being.